Thousands of discarded shoes are collected, washed, and shredded into small pieces. The recycled material is molded. Millions of old shoes eventually reach places like this. The first step is collection. Specialized trucks bring these discarded shoes into the recycling process, giving the material a second life. Powerful loading equipment gathers the discarded footwear and transfers it into specialized recycling trucks. Once collected, the shoes are loaded in bulk and transported to a specialized recycling facility. With the load secured, the journey now begins, from discarded footwear to a completely new material. From the collection site, the recovered footwear begins its journey toward a facility where it will be transformed. Inside this facility, discarded footwear enters a carefully controlled recycling process, step by step. Now the recovered footwear is unloaded and transferred directly into the recycling line. From here, automated conveyors take over, moving the footwear from one processing stage to the next. Before processing begins, the collected footwear is carefully sorted so the recycling line receives suitable material. The first cleaning stage uses powerful water jets to remove loose dirt and surface debris from the recovered footwear. Mechanical brushes now scrub the footwear from multiple directions, loosening material that water alone cannot remove. Next comes a deeper detergent wash, designed to lift stubborn residues and prepare the material for its final rinse. Finally, a clean water rinse removes the remaining detergent, leaving the recovered footwear ready for the next stage.
Inside the rotating wash drum, the footwear is continuously turned so water can reach every surface.
After the final rinse, powerful air systems remove excess moisture and prepare the clean footwear for mechanical processing. Once completely clean and dry, the footwear enters the shredding stage, where its original form begins to disappear.
Inside the shredder, powerful rotating cutters reduce the footwear into small pieces of recyclable rubber.
A second reduction stage produces smaller, more uniform rubber granules, the raw material for the new tiles. Before moving forward, the granules are screened to achieve a consistent particle size for the next stage. Each batch is carefully measured so the recycled material can be processed with consistent proportions and quality. The measured granules are mixed into a uniform recycled rubber compound, creating the foundation for the new floor tiles. Controlled heat softens the recycled rubber into a workable compound, ready to be shaped into its final form. Before molding, the softened compound is evenly prepared and divided into precise portions for each tile. Now the softened recycled rubber is carefully placed into precision molds, where the tile's final design begins to take shape. Under intense hydraulic pressure, the rubber is compressed into every detail of the mold, creating the tile's final texture and shape. After forming, the new tile is carefully cooled, allowing the recycled rubber to stabilize before it is removed from the mold.
And now the transformation is visible. The recycled rubber has become a finished floor tile.
From discarded footwear comes a completely new product, durable, precise, and designed for everyday surfaces. Every finished tile is inspected for surface quality, consistent thickness, and a clean, precise finish before packaging. Precision finishing gives each tile clean, uniform edges and prepares it for the final quality check. Before leaving production, each tile receives a final inspection to ensure the finished product meets the required standard. Recycled rubber can be shaped into a wide variety of durable designs, giving discarded footwear a completely new purpose. Once approved, the finished tiles are automatically stacked with precision, keeping each package organized and ready for shipment. After quality control, the tiles are carefully organized into uniform stacks and prepared for final packaging. The finished stacks are sealed in protective packaging, keeping the tiles clean, secure, and ready for delivery. Finally, the finished tiles are branded and prepared for their journey beyond the factory. The production line is complete. What began as discarded footwear is now packaged as a finished flooring product. After packaging, the finished tiles are loaded for delivery, ready to leave the factory and begin a new chapter. From the recycling facility, the finished tiles now leave the factory, ready to become part of real spaces and everyday life. The recycled tiles now arrive at their first destination, a modern residential project where their new life begins. Once unpacked, the finished recycled tiles are ready to be installed as a durable new surface.
Each tile is carefully aligned and secured, creating a durable surface from material that was once considered waste. As more tiles are placed, individual pieces connect into a continuous, attractive surface.
And this is the result: a durable, recycled surface that now belongs naturally in a modern home. From private homes, these recycled tiles can move into public spaces, creating durable walkways from material that once had nowhere to go. Beyond walkways, recycled rubber can also provide resilient surfaces for playgrounds, helping create comfortable spaces for everyday activity. The same recycled material can also become practical flooring in demanding environments, including modern healthcare facilities. In healthcare spaces, clean, resilient flooring can support the constant movement of staff, equipment, and visitors throughout the day. From healthcare to commercial buildings, the same recycled material can become a durable surface for high-traffic environments. In busy public spaces, these recycled tiles can handle constant foot traffic while giving old footwear a completely different future. Recycled rubber can also return to active environments, providing resilient surfaces for sports, training, and recreation. In schools and community spaces, recycled flooring can create practical surfaces designed for everyday movement and activity. Even in the city, discarded footwear can return as durable pedestrian surfaces, becoming part of the infrastructure people use every day. In public plazas, the same recycled material can cover large areas while adding texture, durability, and a modern architectural finish. From discarded footwear to clean material, from tiny rubber granules to precision-made tiles. And behind every finished tile is an entire industrial journey designed to recover, transform, and give discarded footwear a second life. In public plazas, the same recycled material can cover large areas while adding texture, durability, and a modern architectural finish.
This is the final result. Beautiful, durable flooring created from footwear that would otherwise have been thrown away.
Once unwanted and discarded, these shoes can follow a completely different path, becoming a useful product instead of becoming waste. From mountains of discarded footwear to beautiful, useful flooring, the recycling journey shows what is possible when waste is given a second chance. And that brings us to the end of this incredible recycling journey. From discarded shoes to beautiful flooring. Thank you for watching Factory with Asim.